Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, where we talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. And we have another project for April's bike today. The petcock on it's been leaking all spring. Maybe started last fall, but it wasn't real bad, but it's getting worse. So we've got our new petcock or fuel valve, whatever you prefer to call it, that she's going to work on installing today. You can turn it off. We put a towel underneath it. I wanted to see if it was still dripping. Alright, so it's off. Okay. Did you hear that?
Keep blowing in it?
You're not blowing, you're sucking. Creating vacuum. Hold it. Go get those vice grips.
Yes, sir.
Pinched the hair off my mustache in there. That's going to cost you.
Need me to do it some?
Well, I'm trying to get it to stay. I'm hoping if I clamp it with enough pull, it'll hold that vacuum. That's blowing better. Look.
Yeah, I can hear it. Yeah.
So that's how you drain the tank when you don't have a vacuum pump. Okay. Now blow in the hose. It's your turn to blow. No, blow in that. Just blow. So you hear, it tastes yummy, doesn't it?
Okay.
There's no point.
I'm going to turn it towards me, right?
You're going to
Because I'm going to
You're going to go toward the front wheel, counterclockwise.
That was to put it on, I thought. Okay, maybe you're right.
Okay. Sounds kind of gritty, don't it?
Yeah. It's not wanting to come out.
Okay, you want me to do it? There we go.
Now pull this out.
Yeah, all that comes out.
Okay, I'm going to try.
Is it coming if you work it slowly?
Yeah.
Keep working it. Keep working it, baby.
There. So this is going to go on here like this. But I don't want to screw it on yet, right? Threads and...
You need the Teflon tape.
Yeah, I'm going to read this. Place the new gasket from the kit onto the valve mounting surface and install the new filter onto the fuel supply valve.
Okay, new filter.
So you can put the tape on this. It says, then place the new gasket from the kit onto the valve mounting surface and install the new filter onto the fuel supply valve. Oh, right hand threads on fuel tank adapter. So there's right hand on the...
So one will tighten the other.
Yeah.
You won't unscrew one while tightening the other.
Thread the fuel supply valve nut 2 turns. So I'm going to put this on 2 turns. I don't know what. 1, 2. Guess that's close enough. Okay, so I start there. So 2 turns would be 2 full turns, like where my thumb comes back to me.
2 full turns would be, yes, where your thumb comes back to you twice. So that's probably a half.
That's 1. That's 2. Then I'm going to rotate that thing 2 turns the other way to get started, and then hold the fuel supply valve, tighten fuel supply valve nut. I would feel better if I started putting this up in there before and then attach that when I get it up in there a little ways.
Okay.
Is that okay? And it's going to go in, let me look at it, how that's going to go on there. So this is going to go on this side over here. Okay. Can I move this?
Yeah. So it's just started catching a grip.
Okay, now I can attach that.
It'll go the only way it'll go. It's threaded. Which it shows you in the arrows there which way to turn it.
There's 1, 2, and I put this on.
You did put the gasket in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That gasket looks pretty crappy. Hopefully that was your problem. We will save this old petcock. I will clean it, and we might be able to buy a gasket or whatever else, and use it if we ever need to on Harley Dyna or something else. Can't fall. That's right. I'm sure they like to look at your butt. I'll probably get us more views.
These are baggy. They're not that.
Well, next time we're going to record your butt, wear the tight-fitting jeans. So,
Can I? Here, I'm gonna lean right here.
okay.
How tight do I get it?
Tight enough it don't leak. If it looks like rubber's starting to squeeze through the holes, then it's tight.
I mean, you want to look at it?
No?
Yes. I don't want to be riding down the road and it come off.
It ain't going nowhere. I can't even think about budging none of it, so it's getting tight.
I was just trying to see.
I think it's time to put gas in it.
What'd you do with the gas?
Do you want to come over here and look, make sure it's not leaking? Is this thing turned on?
What thing?
Where we just put it all together. Get your head down there close and look.
It's not leaking.
Stand back in case I blow up. We don't want us both on fire. Somebody's got to call 911. Give it a big thumbs up if you like this video. If you do YouTube, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified when I drop a new video. And as always, thanks for your support. Be safe and keep on riding.